Did you know that one failing sensor, smaller than your hand, is responsible for thousands of engine failures across America every single year? Most owners never see it coming. The sensor itself costs $80 to $250 to replace. The engine damage it causes, when ignored, that bill starts at $4,000. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to watch for before it destroys your engine. Setup. What this sensor does. Welcome back to AutoFix Diary. Today we are talking about the mass airflow sensor, the MAF sensor. If you have never heard of it, you are not alone. Most car owners never do until it is too late. Here is what this sensor actually does. It sits between your air filter and your engine's intake manifold. Its entire job is to measure the volume and density of the air flowing into your engine and send that information to your engine control unit, your car's brain. Your engine control unit uses that data to calculate exactly how much fuel to inject into the combustion chamber, the right air, the right fuel. That balance is everything. When that balance is right, your engine runs efficiently. Fuel economy stays where it should. Your engine is protected. When the MAF sensor starts to fail, that balance disappears. Your engine control unit starts receiving bad data. It compensates, injecting too much fuel or not enough. And the longer this continues, the more damage accumulates. Not just to your engine, but to your fuel injectors, your catalytic converter, your spark plugs. This is a cascading failure that begins with one small sensor and ends with a very large repair bill. And here's the part that makes this sensor so dangerous. It almost never fails all at once. It degrades, slowly, giving you just enough warning signs that most owners dismiss every single one. The warning signs. Most owners miss these. Here are the warning signs of a failing MAF sensor. Pay close attention because every single one of these is easy to dismiss until your engine cannot be saved. Warning sign number 1, rough idle. When you are sitting at a stoplight or in a drive-thru, does your engine feel like it is shaking or stumbling? Not a dramatic stall, just an unsteadiness you can feel through the seat or the steering wheel. That rough, erratic idle is one of the first signs your MAF sensor is sending bad data to your engine control unit. Most owners say, the car is just cold, or it needs gas. It does not. Your engine is struggling because it does not know how much fuel to use. And every minute you sit at that red light in that condition, the problem is getting worse. Warning sign number 2, black smoke from the exhaust. When your MAF sensor fails and tricks your engine into injecting too much fuel, your combustion chamber cannot burn at all. That excess fuel exits through your exhaust as thick black smoke. If you have ever seen a car at a stoplight pushing out dark exhaust, that vehicle may be running a failing MAF sensor. And every time that smoke puffs out, unburned fuel is washing down your cylinder walls, stripping away the oil film that protects your engine from metal-on-metal contact. Warning sign number 3, a sudden drop in fuel economy. If your last few fill-ups have cost noticeably more and your driving habits have not changed, your MAF sensor may be the silent fuel thief under your hood. A failing sensor causes your engine to run rich, meaning it burns more fuel than necessary on every single combustion cycle. Owners blame gas prices. They blame the season. But when your miles per gallon drops 10 to 15% with no explanation, that is your engine telling you something is very wrong. Before we get into the next warning signs that will cost you the most money, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, staying on this channel is the cheapest insurance your car will ever have. Warning sign number 4, hesitation or surge during acceleration. You press the gas, and instead of a smooth power delivery, there is a pause, a stumble, or sometimes a sudden lurch forward. This is your engine momentarily receiving conflicting data. The throttle is saying go, but the MAF sensor is sending a signal that does not match. Most owners describe this as the car acting up. It is not acting up. It is under mechanical distress. And it gets worse with every passing week. Warning sign number 5, the check engine light. And this is the one that destroys most engines. The check engine light comes on. Most owners drive to the nearest auto parts store, get the code read for free and see trouble codes P0100 or P0101. MAF sensor performance. Then they reset the light and keep driving because the car seems fine. And right here, right at this moment, is where the real damage begins. That light is not a suggestion. It is your engine control unit telling you it has lost confidence in its own data. Every mile you drive after that light comes on and is ignored is a mile of accelerating internal engine wear. The financial reality. What ignoring this actually costs. Let us talk about what this failure actually costs, because this is where the story becomes painful for a lot of car owners. A new MAF sensor costs between $80 and $250 for most vehicles. Labor to have it professionally installed runs between $50 and $150. Total repair handled by a mechanic, $300 to $400 in most cases. Here is what happens when you miss it. Damaged fuel injectors from prolonged rich running $500 to $1,500. A destroyed catalytic converter, which your engine's computer will blame next after the MAF sensor, $1,500 to $3,000. Scored cylinder walls and engine damage from oil contamination caused by unburned fuel, $2,000 to $8,000, sometimes more depending on your vehicle. This is not a hypothetical. These are the repair orders that mechanics write every single week. For owners who felt the rough idle, saw the check engine light, noticed the fuel economy drop, and kept driving because the car seemed fine. The mass airflow sensor is a $30 part on some vehicles. The damage it causes when ignored is not a $30 problem. It is a life of the car problem. What to do, no DIY, just reality. So what do you do if you recognize any of these warning signs in your car right now? First, do not ignore the check engine light. A free code scan at your local auto parts store takes 5 minutes. If you pull a MAF-related code, P0100, P0101, P0102, take it to a trusted mechanic immediately. Not next week, not after the weekend, immediately. Second, if you're shopping for a used car and you notice a rough idle, a stumble on acceleration, or a check engine light, walk away. Or demand a full inspection before a single dollar changes hands. MAF sensor failure is one of the most common issues in used vehicles. Sellers know this, buyers rarely do. Third, if your mechanic tells you the MAF sensor looks fine, but your symptoms match everything, in this video, get a second opinion. A sensor can test within spec on a basic scan and still be delivering inconsistent data under load. A good mechanic knows how to test it properly. A careless one does not. The mass airflow sensor is small. It is inexpensive to replace. And when it fails, which it almost always does silently, most owners do not find out until they are looking at a repair bill that could have been avoided for the cost of a nice dinner out. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, because AutoFix Diary is here to give you the information that keeps your car on the road and your wallet in your pocket. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.